So here we are going to see that the problems based on that same concept in the exercise 3.3. So I'm going to solve some problems in the exercise 3.3. So the remaining problems we just solve. Okay, so using the divisibility test, the first one they gave one tabular column. So same way you have to check whether the given number is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11 or not. Okay, so same rules. So you just do this by your own. The second one I will solve. Okay, second one, what is that? Second one is, so using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 4 and by 8. Okay, which are the numbers are divisible by 4 and divisible by 8. Okay, the question is, so I will write here. So using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 4, and by 8 and by 8. Okay, so this is a question. So they will give some numbers, so I just write the number A 572, B 7,26,352, and the next one 5,500. So I will solve some problems. The remaining one you just solve. Okay, so the question, first one 572. So what is the rule for divisible? First I will write the question 572. So the rule is, so when it is divisible by 4, so divisible by 4 is, we have to check that last two digit we have to check whether it is completely divisible or not. So divisible by 8 means we have to look on that last three digit is completely divisible or not. Shall we check? So first A 572. So 572. So what is that last two digit? So this is the last two digit. Am I right? So this is the last two digit. So I will take that last two digit alone, 72. So I just check on that, divide by 4. Okay, so 1 4s are 4, remaining 3, so 32, 8 4s are 32. So completely 0 remainder will come, so completely it will divide. So the number 572 is divisible by 4. Okay, so the same number we have to check the divisible by 8 or not. So what is the given condition while checking the divisibility of 8 means? So we have to take that last three number. So what is the last three number? So this one last three number. Okay, so this last 2 3 number. So this 3 number we have to take. So 572. So we have to divide by 8. Okay, so first number 5. So 5. So next number you have to take. So okay, 7 8s are 56. Remaining 1. So 12. So 1 8s are 8. Remaining 4. Okay, so the remainder is not a 0, it is a 4. It's a non-zero number. So we can say, so the 572. So the 572 is not divisible by 8. Okay, so this kind of only we have to do, students. Okay, then if we move to that next problem, just to see that next problem is 70. So just to put, so what is the next problem? 7,26,000. Just change my color. 7,26,352. 352. So first we have to check the divisibility of 4. So divisibility of 4 means we have to look on that last 2 digit. So last digit, what is the number? 52. So 52 we have to check whether 52 is divisible by 4 or not. So 52 divide by 4. Okay, so just to look on that, 1 4s are 4, remaining 1, and 12, so 3 4s are 12. So 12 minus 12, 0, so 13. Okay, so that means completely it will divide. So we can write 7,26,352 is divisible by 4. Okay, next what we have to do? So next one we have to check the number divisibility by 8. So divisible by 8 means what we have to do? So see the students, so 7,26,352. so we have to check on that, sorry, so we will take last divisible by 4. So while checking that divisibility by 8 means what we have to do? We have to look on that last 3 digit. So last 3 digit 352. So 352 we have to check on that 8th table. Okay, so 4 8s are 32, remaining 3 32. So again 4 8s are 32. So 32 minus 32, 0. Okay, so that this means what we have to do? So this means the given number is divisible by 8. So I will write here, so 7,26,352 is divisible by 8. Okay, so this kind of only you have to solve, students. There are a lot of problems they given, so just to make a practice on that. So anyway, I just move to that next concept. Okay, so the remaining problem C and E you have to do by your own way. Same way, last 2 digit we have to just look on that. So last 2 digit, if it is divisible by 4 means then in the given number will be divisible, completely divisible. Okay, and the last number, it will be last 3 numbers, it will be completely divide means it will be divisible by 8. Okay, sir, when the last 2 number is end with 0 means what we have to do, sir? So it also divisible. Okay, so divisible by 4 because the last 2 digits divide by 0. Okay, so it will be divisible, and the 3 digit 0 means it will be completely divisible by 8. So we can write the number, the given number is divisible by 8. Okay, so we'll move to that next concept, that means divisible by 6. Okay, the first one, divisible by 6. Divisible by 6 or not, by using divisibility test. So the first number I'll write that 2,97,144. So this number we have to check whether the given number is divisible by 6 or not. So divisible by 6 means what is the rule? Okay, so divisible by 6 means there is no separate rule. So 6 we can write 2 into 3. Am I right? 6 we can write 2 into 3. So we know the divisible rule for 2. So divisible rule for 2. So rule for 2, I will write rule for 2 it the last digit must be end with 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. Okay, so any one of this number it should be end. So rule for 3. So rule for 3 means, so sum of the all digits is the multiple of 3. Okay, is the multiple of 3. Okay sir, so what we have to do? So first one, so using these rules we have to check this given number. So what is that given number? So 2,97,144. So here what is that last number? So this is the last number. Okay, so what is the rule for divisible by 2? So last digit must be ended with 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. So here it end with 4. Okay, that means we can able to write, so the last digit is end with 4. So it is divisible by 2. So it is divisible by 2. Okay, so next one we have to check the divisible by 3. So what is the rule for divisible by 3? We have to add all those digits. Am I right? Sum of all the digits. So 97,144. So that we have to write 2 plus 9 plus 7 plus 1 plus 4 plus 4. So just add all those digits, 27 will come. Am I right? So 27. So 27 you just divide by 3. So sum of all the digit must be just divide by 3. Okay. So 9 3s are 27. So that means it will be completely divisible. Okay. So that means we can write the given number is divisible by here what number? 3. So it satisfies two condition. It divisible by 2, it can divisible by 3. That means the given number is divisible by 6. So 2,97,144 is satisfied the two condition. Okay, satisfied the conditions. Okay, so that means, so this number is divisible by 6. Okay, so divisible by 6. Same way you have to do, students, the other number also. So this is one example problem I said. So you just do by your own way. So how to check the divisible by 6? First you have to look on the last digit. So last digit must be ended with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If it is ended means 2, it will be completely divisible by 2. So when you add all those digits and you have to divide by 3. So if you add all those digits, it will get multiple of 3 means. So you have to check on that. So it will be completely divisible or not. So if the two condition is satisfied only, it can be divisible by 6. Okay. Have you all understood? If any one of the condition is not satisfied, that means one number is completely divisible by 2 but not divisible by 3, means that the given number will not be divisible completely by 6. Okay, so this is the given condition, students. So in next class we will see in that remaining problems. So thank you all. We will see in that next class. So thank you. Just go through the exercise.